The moment a design feels balanced, it instantly becomes more professional and more enjoyable to look at. Today, how to create balanced visual frame systems. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 square canvas. Begin by selecting a light beige background and apply a subtle gradient that fades gently toward the edges. Open the Elements panel and insert one large rectangular frame slightly above center. Upload your primary image and adjust the crop carefully so the subject remains the main focus. Add two medium-sized frames below it and position them evenly to create visual balance. Place supporting images inside each frame and adjust their crops for consistency. Apply